please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Well, hello, this is Kent from Easy Test Pool Supplies here in Plaistow, New Hampshire, and with me again is Tim McDonough, the National Sales Manager for Radiant Pools. How you doing, Tim?
I'm doing well, Kent. Thank you very much. I appreciate coming back.
Oh, absolutely. Always a pleasure. So, Tim, 2020 at Easy Test was certainly a challenging season. You know, we were very busy, especially with the ongoing crisis. Lots of customers coming in, trying to keep their fun and their safety at home. And because of that, we saw an influx of all these pools. With yours being one of the most versatile, you know, we were able to get a lot out of you guys. And with production not stopping, you guys were there.
No, and that is true. We worked very hard to maintain our production. We did have some interruptions, as I think almost everyone did, but we definitely worked our way through that. And now, and we have been for, you know, since the end of March, we've been in full production. Now, as far as coming up to 2021, I think one of the things you have to think about, or a consumer should be thinking about, is how they're going to go into next year, you know, knowing that there's probably going to be some limitations. This past year, we did experience, you know, the kids didn't go to camp. There was a lack of travel because of COVID. So people were staying home. So we see that same trend continuing into next year. And I think that it's very wise on the consumer today for them to focus on, you know, really planning in advance for next year. And, you know, we're prepared for it. And we continue to, like I said, we continue to run our production full steam, so.
And again, with, you know, all your options, it's really easy to get a pool that's going to fit into any sort of yard, hills, you know, sizes, anything like that.
Well, and yeah, and that's one of the things, Ken, I know we've spoken about this a little bit, but that versatility of the Radiant, basically any backyard, any challenge, you know, like you said it before, any challenge in any backyard, we can get that pool in that backyard.
Right on.
Easy Test is professional at that.
Well, here at Easy Test Pool Supplies, we are proud to partner and install the Radiant pools. We're looking for a great 2021 season. We truly appreciate Tim for coming down here and speaking with us. And if you're looking for more information on Radiant pools, click the link in the description below. Remember to like and subscribe if you like more videos like this, or stop by any of our 3 locations. Tim, thanks again for coming down.
Thank you, Ken. It's been a pleasure, and we appreciate the partnership with you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.